What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today, as you can see, we're in a freaking winter wonderland. It is the first snowfall of the season. So we're gonna take this beauty out. We're about to go do some snow drifts. And then we're gonna have a little segment on Sunday, which is 2 days from now, to go to the summer send-off experience. So he's gonna throw out a documentary, so we're gonna see a little bit of that. With that being said, let's go get some drifts. Hi, I'm Jonathan Vega. We about to get some snow drifting. Let's get it. Get this out of there like that. Get that out of there like that. Get that out of there like that. Yeah, baby. Gassed up the queue. Now we back at the shenanigans. Pulled up to the back of my old high school's open parking lot. Gonna mess around, see what we can get. Bug out, have some fun, piss some people off in the stance community. Let's just get it.
I get a little reckless, missed the memo, go check the message. I ate then came back for seconds. I ain't seen your fake little necklace. Lifestyle tripping, I should probably stop this. Too much game for your league. I'm Hussein with Steve, Hussein on beats. Legendary, I'm everything you aim to be. I'm insane and free.
That is it for the snow drifting. I will see you guys on Sunday, and I'll see you at summer send-off. See ya. And we are back. It is Sunday. Today is summer send-off documentary. The homie Tony is throwing a little documentary pre-screening. He's gonna be throwing out a documentary for summer send-off. It is about to be wild. It's about to be a good group of people there, about to watch it, see what's going on, food, drinks, about to hold it down. Let's get it. I'll see you guys over there. So we just pulled up to the location for summer send-off. Homie out here, this guy's wheels on too. We out here. With that being said, let's get in there and let's go see what they got. So we just pulled up. We got Tony here. He's the one that runs summer send-off. What do we got? Jen. We got Jen here. What do we think, Tony?
It's a big deal right here. I thank everybody for coming through. We got 3 words. Cue the cinematics.
Yo, we out here. VLR pulled up. My homie pulled up. How we doing, bro?
Man, we chilling, man. We here showing love, summer send-off, man. You know the vibe.
We got the gang out here, baby. Let's get it. We get it. We got Curity. How we doing, Curity?
Chilling. Anybody step out of line getting kicked the hell out.
See you later, kid. And we got the masters behind the lenses out here. We got Rex. We got Miller Media. These boys hold it down. Chill out.
Keep it general and say thank you guys for all your help, doing the interviews, continuously helping us have this show grow. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the raffles, and then we're gonna turn all the lights off and get this video started.
Ow! Yeah! Michael Jordan.
Need a second doc?
This is only like an eighth of BLR, let's be honest. So that is it for the summer send-off documentary.
What'd you think?
Dude, I loved it. I came up on a guitar. thank you. I appreciate that. Won that from a raffle.
Thank you. And thank you guys out there. We appreciate the support. We'll see you guys in the spring. Thank you guys.
With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. See ya.
About to make a couple million out the